Okay, so I will share to you how to create a lead magnet. So I'm using right now a ChatGPT to give you lead magnet ideas. So you can type here, can you give me lead magnet ideas for real estate investors with problem in organizing rental property finances? So this is for an online bookkeeping business. So ChatGPT also answers what's the purpose of creating a lead magnet. And here are the lead magnet ideas. Okay. So it could be Google Sheet or Excel. Ultimate rental property financial checklist, top 10 bookkeeping mistakes, rental property tax prep bundle, and free bookkeeping health check. Are your rental finances in order? Okay. Plug and play format, monthly bookkeeping calendars, real estate investors guide, done for your chart of accounts. Okay. So start simple. You can also use PDF. Okay. And then I'm going to rental property bookkeeping template. Okay. Can you give me a lead magnet for title number 1, rental property bookkeeping checklist? Okay, checklist. I will use, okay, I will create a PDF guide for this lead magnet. Okay. So, section at the end, record, reconcile, okay, quarterly bookkeeping, year-end, finalize, okay. See? So, start with simple one, okay. So, this is a bookkeeping checklist, okay. It will help your prospective client to stay organized, to maximize deductions, stress less at tax time. Okay. So you have the content. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this one, or you can use this one, copy, and then you save that one to your Google Doc. Okay. And then here, you can edit that one. Okay. So this will be the guide, monthly bookkeeping task. We have quarterly, we have year end. Okay. So at least we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. More or less 4 to 5 pages. Okay. So let's try this one. So you have already the content. The next is you can search here in Canva. Okay, let's try. Checklist. Let's try checklist. Okay. Lead magnet checklist. Okay. I see. So here's a sample checklist. Okay. So essential checklist. How about this one? Okay. So I like this one. It's clean. So we can customize this one. Okay. So aside from that, you can also use titles like 5 tips, 10, like this one, 10 essential criteria for smart and successful brand name. Okay, so you indicate the number of items that you're going to share, like 5 tips, 10 essential criteria. You can also do that one for your lead magnet title. Okay? So I'm going to edit this one. I need to remove. Okay. So I think this is okay for our real estate, right? So for starter, make it just simple. Okay, so since you are just starting out. Okay. So I want to darken this one. Okay. So you can place here your name. If you have your website, you can place it here. Okay. Or even your email address. Okay, you can place it here, your email address. Rental property bookkeeping checklist. Okay. So we have here, I'm going to duplicate this one. Okay, this page. So if you want to duplicate, just click this one, duplicate page. So let's try with, okay, how about an introduction? I'm going to duplicate this one for an introduction. Okay. Let's try. Okay. Make this 17. Okay. So if you see some longer dash, change it with comma. Okay. So as a real estate, you are not just collecting rent. You are running a business, but without a clean books, you're risking missed deductions. But with IRS and XBLA, we prefer this paper. This checklist gives you the exact bookkeeping tasks to organize safe and make smarter financial decisions. Okay. So going to remove this one. Okay. Make sure you review also the content. Okay. So here we have monthly bookkeeping task. Okay. So I have the monthly bookkeeping task, and then okay, 1, 2, right? And then next is 3. Okay. Then 4. Then this one. So all you have to do is copy and paste. And next is this one. While creating your lead magnet, you're also learning more about your market, right? Okay. So for here, I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to remove this one and replace this one. Okay. Mhm. Review cash flow, transfer, remove, delete, delete. Okay. The next is we have, I'm going to duplicate this again. So we have here quarterly bookkeeping task. Okay. Next is we have review, profit and loss statement by property. Okay. Then check match actual versus budget. Okay. Then schedule property inspections. Okay. Backup bookkeeping files. Okay. So I'll remove this one, this one, this one. Okay. Quarterly. Then we have copy this one. So like I said, create that's easy to do, simple, not complex. So if you're just starting out, okay. The next is we have the year end bookkeeping task. Okay. So you have now the year end. So copy, double click. Okay. The next is we have it. Okay. Then run. You can also instruct ChatGPT for the content. Okay. At least 5 tips. Okay. So this one is somewhat longer, right? So you can ask also ChatGPT for that. Hey, ChatGPT, can you give me content for this lead magnet? At least 5. Okay. Pair tax, evaluate ROI performance by property. Okay. And then set financial goals for next year. Okay. So we have here, we delete this one, delete this one. Okay. So we are almost done. I'm going to copy this one and then delete this, place it here. Okay. And then pro tip, if you want to um you want the last page to add some pro tip, it's okay. So delete this one. I'm going to um Insert a text. Add a text box. Okay. I want this 13 or 14. So make sure it's readable. So what text did we use this, Montserrat? Okay. About 15. 15. Okay. Symbols stay on top all year long. So remove, like I said, remove the long dash. Okay. Then replace it with comma. Yes, you can place here your email address or your, sorry. So this should be oops. Okay. Okay. So year long, you can also place your website and your calendar link here. Okay, once you're done, we have real estate investor, simply tax and stay on top all year long. Okay, so I will place here. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this one. So, going to get my calendar link. Okay, strategy vehicle, and let's clean up your wait, books. I have the website 3aglobalbookkeeping.com. 3aglobalbookkeeping.com. Okay, monthly. Okay. So you have your quarterly, your monthly, your year end, and then we have the last page. So we have page 6. Okay. Quarterly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So can you give at least 5 tips for monthly, quarterly, and year end bookkeeping tasks? Okay. So let's see. Mm-hmm. Please. Okay. So we have here reconcile IRS rental property. Okay. I'm going to copy this one. Okay. And then connect bank accounts. We have monthly. Well, anyway, you can also use this one, make it 5 tips for or monthly or guide, at least 5 tips for monthly, for quarterly, or for year end. Okay. So you can also adjust this one, like I think we have no space here already. We can move this one, but it may take time. Okay, 2, 3. So let's try track it. So guys, this really require patience. Okay, so it's better to do it by yourself, and then you learn the process of doing this one. Yeah, it's a bit challenging. Log all expenses, reconcile, track, scan, track, view, and then, okay. I think I'd better stick to this one. Okay. I'll just stick to this one. Z. Z. Okay. I'm undoing it. Okay. Okay. So that's it. So we have the property. We have the Canva. Then this will be the view. Okay. Then you can, and if it's done, then you can download this one. Or you can also PDF standard. You can also share this one. Okay. Copy the link. Okay. So public view link. So you can copy. Okay, so let's try. I'm going to paste it. Okay. So page 1, monthly bookkeeping. You can also use the link. Okay. So just copy. And then paste it here. Let's say, what's the title of this one? Okay, I'm going to place here rental property bookkeeping checklist. Okay. Rental property bookkeeping checklist. Okay. And then highlight this one. Then insert the link. Apply. Okay. So let's try. If this is the original link, okay, I'm gonna label this one. And then click this one. Okay. So that's it. So we have the rental property, monthly, quarterly, year end. Okay. So it's simple, it's clean, direct to the point, and it solves the problem of the market. Okay, so rental property bookkeeping checklist. So if you want, you can edit this one. It's okay. And then, like I said, you start simple. Start with the PDF. So this is a simple bookkeeping tips for real property owners. Okay. So you just have to share the link. This one, public view link. You can use that one. And then save that. So I'm going to use and save this Google Doc, okay, for my future reference. So at least I have now my um, sample lead magnet, which I can offer to real estate property investors or real estate investors. Okay, that's it.